I love my hair so much. You have no idea. This is one of my own custom creations. And today I'm going to show you how I achieved this color. And in part 2, I'm going to show you how I constructed this wig absolutely perfectly. Stay tuned and watch this entire video so you can see how I got this color. And make sure to subscribe. Since you're here, I know you're watching. Subscribe. Let's be friends.
Let's get started. Before I do anything, I love to go ahead and add my gloves because I do not want my hands to be burning. Then I lay down my foil, and as you can see, I'm going in putting 4 scoops of bleach powder. And no, I did not measure it. I eyeballed it, but I used 30 volume developer to go in for my hair. I knew exactly how light and lifted I wanted it to be, so that's why I eyeballed it. So all those that's looking for measurements, I ain't got it. Now I'm going to mix everything perfectly so that it can blend and mix well. And as you can see, it was full to the top. So I was trying to make sure I didn't spill none, and I was trying to be very, very careful. Of course, the video is edited, but it did take me a good 4 minutes just to mix everything in so that I can get rid of all the clumps. Now let's get into it. This is the hair. Now I did use 4 bundles, but I'm going to show you one whole bundle and a half a bundle that I colored, just so you can see the process. My goal for coloring was not to color the entire bundle. I did not want an ombre effect. I wanted highlights. And my thought process through this is, while it's still in the bundle and wrapped, I want to go ahead and color one side, lift it as high as the level that I wanted it to, and so that when I do take the bundle apart and I make the wig, it'll show up as highlights. I found this to be the best option for me so that I can get the highlights that I want and I don't have to color the entire bundle, or I don't have to do it after the wig is already made. Now, after I put the first color in, I went ahead and combed it through. That helps to get all the color through, and I can stretch the hair so that I can see how much more color I need to put on that side. And after the comb through, I go back in with my brush and I apply more color to that side and make sure I saturate the side so that it can lift high enough to the desired level. After I saturate the entire bundle and see that it's starting to lift, I'm going to go ahead and close it into the foil. As you can see to the left, that is a bundle that I colored before this one, and I didn't film it, but I will show you a little bit of how good it's lifting. Now I'm just closing it in the foil, and I'm going to secure it so that it can lift nicely and evenly. Now I'm starting on my 4th bundle. Yes, it was a lot of work to highlight this, but I enjoyed the process. I'm going in again to saturate the entire side that is up and comb through the same process, and then go back in and add some more color. After that bundle, I opened one of my bundles that had been in the foil, and as you can see, it was lifting very well. So I combed it through and wrapped it back up because it wasn't quite the color I wanted. This is my 7x7 closure, and I went ahead and added some highlights to this as well. And I needed to bleach the knots, so I did that last because I know that I needed to keep that on the least amount of time. And voila, this is the hair and how it's lifted. Now in my hand are all 4 bundles. And yes, I am happy with the high-low effect of the color. That's exactly what I wanted. Here's my closure, and that's how she came out.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button and drop a comment and a like while you at it, and share with a friend. And until next time, bye.